Master Manifester. Today we're talking about collective stress and manifestation and how it affects your results. The quantum collective is a vast system of particles and perspectives. Everything, including us, is made of subatomic particles of potential. Our social systems emerge from these physical connections and mirrored concepts and contexts. Our brain waves sync up with each other when we socialize. We mimic each other. We can also sync with music and frequencies, light, sound, and our own internal systems. The world isn't a static space, it's a coherent, interactive field of potential. Emotional contagion happens because our mirror neurons in our brain cause us to mimic what we perceive to be the experiences of others. We don't empathize with their actual feelings. We don't really know what they are. We simulate a mental model of what we think they're feeling based on our beliefs and assumptions. So seeing a sad face activates your sadness. Hearing angry voices triggers your anger or your fear. We're survival-based programs. We're designed to respond in a way that keeps us alive, keeps us successful and thriving. And recognizing emotions improves our prediction processing of our brain. So we've evolved to recognize these traits in each other, but also to sort of move as a social group or in a social system, as well as individuals. This is where the mob mentality comes in, where you can have, nobody imagines themselves being swept up into a mob, but it happens a lot. It's your nervous system, it's your brain. Our social systems are designed, not designed, but they've emerged to be coherent together to keep us surviving. So nervous system neutrality, uh, avoiding too much mirroring of other people's maybe body language. If you find that they're very stressed or you're around a lot of stressed people, knowing how to ground yourself and not automatically mirror those around you. It's almost like a flock of birds, almost like, uh, almost like a herd. It is herd mentality, but it's because your survival system is much more dominant than your cognitive thinking mind. Your nervous system is designed for fight, flight, fawn, do whatever it takes to survive, not to interpret actual reality. The only thing your brain and body want to do want to predict what's happening next so it can feel safe, so it can feel like you're surviving and successful. So it's about perfecting the pause of not immediately reacting to the intense physical sensations and emotions, giving yourself time to investigate the source and how you're interpreting how you're feeling. So a couple of things that you can do if you're around a lot of stressed out people, or if you're in a situation where you might be swept up into the collective stress of a particular topic, is the danger real? Is the danger real? Is it immediate? Is it visceral? Is it something that's going to hurt you right now in a physical way? Well, then you need to be running, fighting, fleeing, fawning, whatever it is that gets you out of the danger. If there is no danger, step 2, what is the sensation? What is it feeling like in your body? Feel into it. Do nothing, feel, and see what this feeling, this experience is like. Then step 3, take deep, slow breaths to activate your calm observer mode and observe your thoughts and your interpretations of what you're feeling. Most of the time, you don't need to do anything. You just need to observe. And you definitely want to get out of the idea of trying to fix or change other people's automated systems. We are all automated systems. We are very, very automated. We can change our programming, but most of the time we're just reacting in an if-then protocol of what to do in whatever situations based on our unconscious assumptions. So, it's not our jobs to be interfering with other people. Now, if you can help someone, usually the most help you can do with someone is being there, being supportive, which is saying, I understand, I can relate. but not drowning in their emotions. That is their test. That's their life test. That's their life story to be living out. That's not yours to be interfering with because it takes your energy away from your manifestation time. It takes your energy away from your focus of living your story fully. And it's a form of self abandonment. So don't abandon yourself for the sake of others, but you can be there for them, but they still need to regulate themselves. So I hope this helped you to understand a little bit more about collective stress. And, the main thing is that it uses up your energy and it distracts your state from where you want to be. Now you can also use it the other way. You can use it to gain more of a state, more of an experience of the kind of manifestation you want to have. Just find a lot of people who are already experiencing it, at least as far as what you can interpret, as far as what you could tell, that they look like they're experiencing it, and spend more time with those people and make sure that they have also the peace of having whatever that thing is that you're trying to manifest. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the Method Muse newsletter in the description below.